So real quick video here. I'm making fresh made tabouli from the garden. The seasoning's on the bottom. I like to put the seasoning, let it soak in olive oil and lemon juice, the bulgur or bulgur, that is. So it softens it up, and then I load on the top and then I mix it at the end. I'm gonna show you a comparison between store-bought parsley and my own parsley I've been growing for about 8 years now, developing it, making it larger and larger. This is flat leaf parsley. Sorry if you hear any noise. My son's watching TV in the background. So this is a bunch of my flat leaf parsley that I grow. As you can see how big they can get. Now there's a comparison right now of the size difference right here. So as you can see, there's a leaf node here. Another one. Just like that. Look at that. Mine is much sweeter and tastes so much better than this lifeless. Look at the color, how yellow it is. Lifeless compared to how dark green mine is. Try to grow your own food. Happy gardening.